In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can print or plot directly from the model space in AutoCAD. Now I'd always recommend that you create a layout to print your drawings because this will allow you to set out the pages you'd like, add a border, a title block, and more importantly include scales. And if you'd like to learn how to create layouts, then please check out my other video tutorials on AutoCAD in this series. However, there are times when you just want a quick printout and you haven't got time to create a layout, so I'm going to show you how you can print very quickly from the model space. Now, to get to the print option, you can either go to the Output tab on the ribbon menu and go to the Plot button, or you can go to the red application button and go down to Print. Either way will open up the Plot dialog box, and from here you can find your printer in the drop down. I'm going to just use the AutoCAD PDF printer for this demonstration. Then you can choose your page size. I'm just going to choose A0 for this. Next we need to choose a plot area, and AutoCAD gives us four options. We can either choose to print the display, which will print everything that we can see on our monitor here behind the plot dialog box. We can choose extents, which will print everything that we have in our model space. We can choose limits, which would need setting up beforehand, or I always like to choose window, which will allow us to simply draw a rectangle around the part of the drawing that we want to print, and it's as simple as that. In the bottom here you can see that we can choose to offset the plot on the page, or we can choose to center it. And you can see over here in this little preview that we have a red line at the bottom of our paper. That means that at the moment our print doesn't actually fit on the page correctly and the drawing will be cropped. So we probably need to center the plot in this example in order for it to fit on properly. Next is to set a plot scale, and this can either be fit to paper or you can choose a scale of your choice. And then when you're happy with everything, you can then click preview, and that will give you a preview of what will print. From here you can either press the print button or you can press escape to get back to the dialog box, and when you're happy you can press OK. And it will print. Now if you want to print another drawing afterwards, you just go to the plot option again, and this time we can go to previous plot, and that will set up our print dialog box exactly as it was before, which saves us some time. So I hope this has been some use. Please check out my other AutoCAD tutorials in this series. Thanks very much.